subscribe on the YouTube app.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
My fifth question is how to add or edit content in any section. I add or edit content in About Us page. You can see edit with Elementor button. Click on edit with Elementor button. After that, open this page. If you want to edit this section, edit or add this section, then you can see edit icon. Click on edit icon, then open text editor, right side. Add any content, any word content. This section, such as email marketing, services. Then click on update button. The page refresh About Us page. After this, you can see added email marketing services content. In this section, if you want to edit this word, email marketing, then click on update button. Then refresh About Us page. You can see edit this content on this section. If you want to add more content, copy this word, this paragraph, and paste in this text editor bottom. Then click on update button and refresh About Us page. You can see add more content on this section. If you want to delete this paragraph, then click on edit icon on this section. After that, open text editor box, select this paragraph and delete. Press delete button. After that, click on update button. Then please refresh About Us page. You can see remove more content on this section.